Okay, hello everyone. This is another premiere video. So, on my last one, I just got P in a pod. So I'm going to play more Wild West to get Lightning Reed. Looks really good. Also, Wild West is super fun. Like, does anyone else just love Wild West? It's so good. Huh? Like cow tipping, zombie tipping is best done from the side. Trust me, do not try and tip a cow from behind. Oh my god, that does not sound good. Okay, oh yeah, I need to show everyone what this plant does and this plant. So this has a lot of firepower, the pea pod. Okay, trust me, it has a lot of firepower. You're gonna love it so much. Okay, let's get ready for war. It's war. This is war against this zombie war. So if you want to see what it does, get ready for this. So this is normal pea shooter ability. But give me 100 more sun game, please. I said 100, not 50. Seriously, game. There we go. It said 2 pea shooters. 2 pea shooters. It goes up like to... I think it's, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's like 5 or something it goes up to. I think it goes up to 5, which is really, really OP and good. Folks. But that's not gonna be working, so... Whoa. Okay, come on. Let's get a turd, because then this is the best zombie clear out ever. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, perfect. The plan is working. Like, as you can see, yeah, it's 5 of them, so you can see it's kind of OP. I'm just trying to reach 5 on this one. And then I'll just try getting some better stuff. Actually, watch Chili Bean do his job. So, you eat him, he's hungry for beans. Need some beans? It will, look, he's farting. And any zombie going behind will actually be frozen temporarily, which is also really OP and good. Okay, thank you for that. Perfect. 5 of them. This zombie is so gonna die. Oh, actually, this zombie is stronger than I thought. Let's see. Who would win? Okay, I have a plan now. Yep, I knew it's OP. Actually, I shouldn't have done what I did, but I did it. Okay, I need chili beans. You go there. I need more chili beans. Give me more sun. Go there. Shoot. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, he will die. His plans are dead. That's what he's... Oh, shoot, he's alive. I did not expect this. This is too much. This is too much for me. Oh my god, this is too hard. Oh my god. Yeah, that's why you really need to focus in this area. Because look how strong these zombies are. Oh my god, come on. You got this. You see, do I need him? Okay, oh good. Okay, I need to get some more peas in pods and these guys because they're super OP. They are. Actually, what is a single pea in a pod? Oh. Oh my. Oh, it doesn't multiply him. That was a waste of money. Or gems or whatever you want to say. Nice, I can put... There's 2 peas in that pod. This one needs help. So now you can see why this plant is so good. It's just too OP. You gotta have it. Not a single pea shooters are okay, I guess. Like, they're okay. But now they became OP. Pea shooters are now the best plant ever. You're not beating me. Oh, shit. Go there. Shoot. Okay, oh, good. Okay. What happens if it's 5 peas in a pod? Ah, nothing. Two big boy peas. That sounds actually really wrong. Ooh, scroll. Ooh, interesting. Yeah. Ooh, collecting seed packets. I'm almost on my seed packet quest to get some stuff. I'm knocking lightning rod. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of excited for that. Ooh, wanted delicious brain meat. Reward of 500 US dollars. We have money, really. It appears brains are outlawed around here. Oof. Quick, neighbor, play dumb. You'll follow your lead, Tuesday. Dave. Not Dave. Also, here the zombies are super dumb. Super dumb. Super dumb. Greetings, plant wrestlers. Agents are arriving to make your brains is my property. Salutations, Dr. Edgar Zambos. Wait, I think this is a boss level. I don't want my brains all marked up. It took forever to get him clean. Wait, no lawnmowers. Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh, and there's a gargantuan. Oh, I don't even get to choose my own plants. That's not nice. Very nice. What if I have 2 different rows with peas and pods to provide more useful? I think it's only going to be Wild Western plants. I'm going to put my walnut there. Save those guys for emergencies like this. Eat. Eat it. Stupid zombie. You're gonna do some. It's too much powerfulness. Not this the lane, the road that needs this most. One, 2 peas in a pod. Bees in the pod, bees in the pod, bees in the pod, beep, 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 bees in the pod. Okay, that should be good. Oh, shoot. Please fart. I like when zombies fart. They smell nice. That sounds so wrong in every level. I'm good at making things sound wrong. Come on. These peas in the pod. Wait, he doesn't need 2 of them. He just need 1. If there's no peas in his pot. Wait, I need 2 there. Hey, zombie, you hungry? I got this. It's chili bean. To die. I want to kill the zombies as fast as possible. Oh, get that. Let's go. Oh, actually, I better stop placing these walnuts everywhere. Oh shoot, I lost a walnut. Actually, I'm gonna make this the toughest walnut ever. Need 4 on this row. Oh, trade. Actually, you need that. You need food. Okay, zombie. Okay. Stupid zombies. Do the zombie dance. Damn stupid. Oh, that's okay. I liked it. I like what I see here. Bop, bop. Okay, that was so clutch. That was the most clutch moment of my life. Oh, so now I lost one of my pea pods. Oh, that's bad. It's actually really bad. Wait 1 minute. Eat it! It doesn't work. It doesn't work, people. Guys, this is actually it just about did it. Barely, but it did. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh, shoot. Come on, people. Like to subscribe right now. If you want to win your next Plants vs. Zombies game. Okay, now I feel like the most clickbait YouTuber in history. Die. Come on. Fart. Zombie. Fart. That zombie is the biggest fart ever. That sounds so weird. I'm good at making things sound weird. Okay, oh shoot. Okay, I need this, people. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, game. Come on, game. Come on, I thought the game was on my side. Thought it was, but it isn't. That might work. Boom. 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 Oh shoot, stop. It stopped booming. Oh, wait 1 minute. Die, imp. Shoot. Come on. Oh, shoot. People, this is an emergency. 1 down, 1 to go. Shoot. Okay, he got 2 shots off. That actually worked. I survived Wild West Day 8, people. That was actually super hard. Okay, and my cat's actually talking. He speaks Catlish. Oh, Tonut. Oh, Lightning Reed, thank you. Though I won't be playing with Lightning Reed until the next video, sadly. Okay, people, let's go and do this. So I just completed that. I don't want any new worlds. Game. This game don't understand me. Level 9. Okay, people. Okay, let's see. These plants are mine. Well, not mine, yours. But they're for the mine carts. Okay. Survive the zombie attack with the given plants. Be good plants. Be good plants. Okay, I just used Lightning Reed this video. Everyone, if you're hyped up, please leave a like, because I am. got a lightning reed. Oh, cool. And it says that this would work. It does. Could work from here. No, it doesn't. They don't do that much damage though. But I need as many as I can get. Ah, that's not what I wanted. What? Hope this works. Oh, this will work. This better work. Okay, you go there. Here. Okay, I did figure out a life hack though. It's a good thing. Hacking in life. That sounds kind of weird. Okay, come on. Got a sunflower. I need as many as I can. These actually. Oh, that's an ice watermelon thingy. Whatever that really is meant to be. A tree on one row. Hoping the zombies win now. I got 3 lightning reeds in one row. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's actually really bad. Give me another. Oh, 4 attacking you. 1 zombie. Plus, you get to have your last meal. Let's call it that. Okay, you go there. Okay. Oh, let's do it. Oh, it's a lightning cloud, people. Oh my god. It's a lightning cloud. It's a lightning cloud, everyone. It's a lightning cloud. That's too OP. That's too OP. No, it's not meant to be in the game. This is definitely not meant to be in the game. The game. The game is too easy. Now, I'm going to get 1 more lightning reed, everyone, because I have a plan. You do this. You do that. That's my plan. Yeah, it's not the best plan ever, really. Thank you. What I'm going to get... I wanted to some cool stuff to camp now. Come on. Yes. You can be attacked. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, stupid zombies. Stupid zombies. Come on. Yes, the farts ability is so good. Okay, come on. Come on, seriously? I need this. Okay, come on. Let's set it up for this row. Okay, come on, ice watermelon. That's good. It's really good. Actually, that's super good. Just like the best. Shoot, everyone, shoot. Got this. Everyone is slowed right now. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. I lost a lawnmower just there. That's bad. But I got this. More lightning. I'm just going to try getting as many lightning guys as possible. Too much lightning. I never heard of it. He got absolutely wrecked. So that's lightning reed. Okay then, so... Okay, I got that guy. Okay, ooh, I got 5 gems. Nice, I'm on 10 gems now. That's fine. I don't have that much. Zap several. Oh, this must be good for chickens. That must be its strength. Killing chickens. Okay, let me just see. Ooh, I got 2 stuff. Ooh, pinata. Money. Lightning reed packets. Oh, pea pods. Bees in a pod, bee in a pod, bee in a pod, bee in a pod. Okay, but that watermelon guy is so expensive. Seriously. Melon pot. Okay then, let's check Zen Garden before we finish this video. Anna. Anything I don't like. Okay, they're all good, but I want to take something away. Now what? Okay, well then, so hope everyone enjoyed this video, and the bee will help the Snapdragon live his dream. Bye everyone, next time, bye.